We have to start with the big U.S. banks, right? Reporting earnings for the quarter. We'll start with Bank of America. I am not going to do Allison Williams justice, but ticker BAC. Their shares have been up as much as 5%. So they had that beat on third quarter earnings. Investment banking activity increased, long-awaited comeback in M&A. We always hear the woohoo from Paul. I like that. The numbers. So we get investment banking revenue rose 43% to $2.05 billion. Fees for advising on managers acquisitions soared 51% to $583 million. And then you had revenue from equity and debt issuance that also increased. Net interest income also solid. Yeah, key source of revenue for the company. And that was thanks to, the CEO said it was strong loan deposit growth for what it said was their effective balance sheet positioning. And from Bank of America, we go to Morgan Stanley.
Guess what for Bank of America? Guess what?
Is that a yes or a no?
That's a yes.
That's a yes. You did work
Summer
there.
internship, Merrill Lynch, investment banking, 1990.
Okay.
Boom. So I get to claim it.
No. Do you claim Morgan Stanley?
I do not.
Okay,
yeah, they were smart. They never hired me.
They didn't hire you.
Jonathan Miller.
Yes.
Elliman report. Like, he does a report in the Hamptons. He spends hours out there. Hamptons, condo single family, up 13.3%. I mean, Wall Street, it's got to be like a mega boom out there.
It always is. I mean, it swings down every once in a while, but let's be honest. So anyway,
13%.
and that's because of Bank of America and the next one, Morgan Stanley.
Yeah.
Exactly. And they're up more than 4%. They pointed to that surge in trading activity. Revenue from stocks trading, it surged 35%, $4.12 billion in the third quarter. And that actually beat Goldman Sachs on that part of the business. They got a boost from better than expected investment banking fees. Wealth management business also did well, $8.2 billion in revenue, more than expected. And total revenue, that came in at $18.2 billion. That was also above those estimates. We have a few stock movers because of a few companies possibly be taken private, like Papa John's. Yes, pizza.
Yeah.
Shares have jumped as much as 14%. Yeah, PZZA. I do love that ticker.
Oh, cute.
It is. So Reuters reporting Apollo Global Management submitted a bid to take it private, $64 a share. That's actually the second offer from Apollo. In June, it was Apollo and Earth Capital Management. They submitted this joint offer for the company at $60 a share. So you see they kind of increase their offer. It's not just Apollo, though. Reuters is saying a lot of the multiple activists have expressed their interest in Papa John's. So we'll see where it goes. And then the last one is Grindr, ticker GRND. It's an LGBT-focused dating app, gaining as much as 8%. And the company said its largest shareholders, they're looking into an acquisition, could take the company private no less than $15 a share. Shows primarily through some debt